From prevention of cancer to helping manage immune booster, magic mushrooms have many potential benefits. Mushrooms are edible fungus that can provide several important nutrients. The many kinds of mushroom have varying compositions and nutritional profiles. From puffballs to truffles, mushrooms can range from everyday fare to a costly delicacy. People can buy them fresh, canned, or dried. So in this video, I will be listing 7 healthy benefits you'll get when you add mushrooms to your diet. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below on what you think about the video. We will try to personally reply to your comment. Thank you. According to the National Cancer Institute, the antioxidant content in mushrooms may help prevent lung, prostate, breast, and other types of cancer. Mushrooms also contain a small amount of vitamin D. There is some evidence that vitamin D supplementation may help prevent or treat some kinds of cancer. Maitake, cremini, portobello, oyster and white button are all 5 types of mushroom that can significantly suppress breast cancer cell growth and reproduction. We now know that lentimin can boost your immune system, but it has a helper, too. Beta-glucan is a sugar found in the cell's walls of fungi, among other plants, that also helps boost your immune system. Lentimin comes from shiitake mushrooms, but beta-glucan is found in many varieties, namely the common button mushrooms. Dietary fiber may help manage a number of health conditions, including type 2 diabetes. According to a review of meta-analyses, people who eat a lot of fiber may have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. For those who already have it, fiber may help reduce blood glucose levels. A cup of sliced raw mushrooms, weighing 70 grams, provides almost 1 gram of fiber. Mushrooms are one of the few food sources for vitamin D, a fat-soluble vitamin that our bodies can make with exposure to sunlight. Button mushrooms and creminis, in particular, are high in vitamin D, but creminis are high in another key vitamin, too. Vitamin B12. Vitamins B are important because they convert food into fuel for our bodies, giving us energy. Vitamins D are important because they help our bodies absorb calcium and promote bone growth. The fiber, potassium, and vitamin C in mushrooms may contribute to cardiovascular health. Potassium can help regulate blood pressure, and this may decrease the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular disease. According to current guidelines, people should consume around 4,700 milligrams of potassium each day. Mushrooms appear on the AHA's list of foods that provide potassium. In a study at Penn State, researchers found that mushrooms have high amounts of 2 antioxidants, ergothioneine and glutathione, which are both associated with anti-aging properties. According to Robert Beelman, director of Penn State Center, mushrooms are the highest dietary source of these 2 antioxidants taken together. Similarly, a 2019 study found that seniors who ate more than 300 grams of cooked mushrooms a week were half as likely to have mild cognitive impairment. The 6-year study conducted from 2011 to 2017 collected data from more than 600 seniors over the age of 60 living in Singapore. The researchers looked at ergothioneine as the possible reason for this impact. Many women take folic acid or folate supplements during pregnancy to boost fetal health, but mushrooms can also provide folate. A cup of whole, raw mushrooms contains 16.3 micrograms of folate. Current guidelines recommend that adults consume 400 micrograms of folate each day.